some thunderstorms are appearing from the south. Up there. Not moving in our general direction, but I found that it was pretty interesting that they moved in this direction like that. And that the clouds are dark, visibly. The sky is so clear over here, but it's more darker over there is pretty interesting to me. That is. Anyway, I'm bored. I gotta see that these seeds that I threw into these holes actually began to grow. But what didn't grow was my corn over here. Well, it did, and then we put mulch on it. That was the end of that. Yeah, well, let's go inside. We got some weather radios to fix. Is that a cricket? No, it's a June bug. I don't get any crickets here. I don't know why. Some of the weather radios are offline for an unknown reason. Whether they just got shut off, unplugged, that I cannot answer you, but as you can see, they're not on. And it seems that they must have gotten unplugged because someone turned off the power to my room, which specifically has a label on it. Do not use this switch. And that cannot be right at all. That clock right there, that's definitely not right. It is definitely not 3 p.m. It's definitely 12 p.m. It's a vacuum. This humidifier is like working partially, so like it doesn't work half the time. Anyway, let's I'll be right back.